The second exercise I want you to do is I want you to learn to draw circles. And the reason is, if you can draw circles and straight lines, you can draw anything. Okay, you just need to learn how to put them all together. But again, circles is about learning techniques and stuff. So quickly over to the other video, over to the other camera. Circles. Circles are the same as straight lines. Again, you keep it rigid there. Now, I want you to imagine that the mistake that a lot of people make is that they put their hand on the piece of paper, okay, like this, and they draw like that, and they try and draw a circle or straight lines, and you're only ever going to end up with curves, not right. And if you try and draw a circle like that, you're not going like that. And you can draw a circle just about if it's a small one, okay, just in a circle like that. But when you come to drawing a big one, it gets really hard. And so one of the things which I teach people is to keep their wrist here really firm. Yeah, so you keep your wrist firm, and you're actually moving from your elbow and your shoulder. So these are the big movements. So even sort of like small movement you can do. And it takes a lot of time to not do that and wiggle your fingers and all the rest of it. You've got to keep your fingers solid and just turn them around, okay? And by doing that over and over again, then you can draw a circle. The other trick for a circle is actually to do some little practice moves. Get into a rhythm, get nice and relaxed, and then go boom and press on the paper. So you're going round like that, and then boom and down. So round, 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 down, up. Okay, round, 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 down, up. Okay. So that's what you're trying to do with circles, and you can do them at different sizes. Now, eventually we're going to get onto ellipses, and we're going to get onto doing things in perspective, which is what an ellipse basically does. And there's all sorts of other little things that we're going to build up on as we go through the course. But just for now, you need to learn to draw circles because it'll help you with other things and spotting, and you need to draw straight lines. So back to here with circles. So draw a circle, get your hand going around in a circle, and then go boom. Now what you're going to notice is that if you do this for 5 minutes every day, you'll nail it in 3 months. I know it sounds silly to think that, but if you think 15 minutes every day, and you'll train yourself to be an artist, and you'll be so much quicker about learning to do your art, you won't believe. All right. I should do my practice really, and I can like sit down and just draw these days, and I use working out pictures as my warm-up, and I shouldn't do. I should do what I tell everybody else to do. Oh, you know what it's like. Anyway, that one's too long. You can probably see that one. It's an ellipse, and we'll do ellipses another day. So what I do is look at my picture and think to myself, I have to correct that. So I have to kind of like imagine, instead of doing that, I need to do more that and push my hand in that direction. So right now I'm thinking that. There we are. Ah, that's even a good one. Can you see how that, you can't really see the join in this bit? That's what you're after doing. So, and again, okay, bit of a gap there, not quite as good. Oh, that was a perfect one. And you're trying to not move your hand or your fingers, just your arm. That was bad.